In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music haptics to control in Control Center on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 music haptic feature, you'll be able to feel the vibration of the beat of the music you are playing while the music haptics is enabled on your iPhone. And for easy accessibility, you can easily add the music haptic to your iPhone controls in Control Center. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to add or enable the music haptics on iOS 18 in Control Center, is go to your iPhone Control Center, then click on empty space, click on add a control. Now you need to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to hearing accessibility, and here locate the music haptics, click on it. Then this is going to be added to your iPhone controls. You can just use this to adjust it, this slider, press and hold it, and then adjust the length or breadth. Then you can use this to customize it just like this. Then once you're done, click outside it. Then whenever you are playing music that supports music haptics on your iOS 18 device, you should see the feature to turn it on and turn it on here. So this is how you can easily add music haptics to control in Control Center on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.